In this video, we'll talk about the second and third laws of thermodynamics. Now, we've just looked at some TH and TC with different machines. You're putting work in, you're doing all kinds of crazy stuff. What would happen if we had our hot side and our cold side and we brought them into thermal contact? What would happen to the heat in that case? What direction does the arrow go? Well, heat always travels from the hot side to the cold side, unless there's something here doing work, forcing other strange things to happen. This is the second law of thermodynamics, that heat goes from hot to cold. Third law of thermodynamics, that says if you have something that's not at absolute zero already, you can never actually reduce its temperature to absolute zero. So, for example, let's say that this is at absolute zero. So this is at 0 Kelvin. This is greater than 0 Kelvin. Now I bring these into contact. What will happen? Heat will flow that way. That brings the temperature of this down. But it brings the temperature of this up. So when they come into thermal equilibrium, they're not going to come into thermal equilibrium at 0 Kelvin. They'll come out somewhere between whatever this was and what the other one was. Then we could take another thing that's at 0 Kelvin, bring that into thermal contact, and try and bring it down closer to 0 Kelvin. But again, as soon as you bring them into contact, this is going to come up, no longer be at 0 Kelvin. So actually, nothing can ever completely reach 0 Kelvin.